Question number 31. Bar graph are given. Given bar graph shows the data regarding number of singers and dancers in 5 different states. PQRST singers and dancers are given. What is the first question? What is the average number of singers in all the given states taken together? Required average of all the singers. First one, what is the singers in P? 360. Singers in Q, 225. Singers in R, 365. Singers in S, 450. Singers in D, 660. Okay. First we are adding 6 and 360. How much? 1020. 1020. Next, 225 plus 365. How much? 590. 590. Again we are adding how much? 450. 450. 90 plus 20, 110. 110 plus 50, 160. End with 60. Okay. Next, carry value 1. 10 plus 5, 15 plus 4, 19 plus 1, 20, 20, 60. Divide by how much? 5. We are getting 4, 1, 2 or not? Option first one. Question number 32. Number of male singers from state Q is approximately what percentage of the total number of singers in the same state or different state? Same state. The ratio of male and female from state Q is how much? 2:3. Males is how many parts? Females total 5 parts are. Out of the 5 parts, we required which one? Male percentage or female? Male person. Male is how many parts? 2 parts are. Out of 5 parts, parts are male or not? But we required in terms of percentage multiplied by 100. The answer 40%. Number 33. What is the difference between the total number of singers and dancers in state T and total number of singers and dancers in state R? Singers and dancers in state T, singers and dancers in state R. First state T, what is the total value? 900. State R total value 365 plus 285. That is 500. 365 plus 285, 500. Sorry, 650 or not? 650. But we required which one? Difference or sum? Difference. What is the answer? 3, 1. 50 and 960 difference. 310 or not? Question number 34. What is the respective ratio in the number of dancers from state from S and T taken together to the number of singers from P and Q taken together or not? S and T, which one? Dancers. What is the S dancers value? 350. T dancers value 300. Total it is 600. It is 13 multiple or not? Then first value must be multiple of 13. How many options? Only one or not? Option 130, 117. Again 130, 117 also 13 multiples, sir. 35. 40% of the total participated dancers got prize. Then find how many dancers not get prize. Suppose total dancers are 100%, that 40% are got prize. The remaining person 3%. Required did not get. How much percent we need? Percent or not? Percent of total dancers. What is the first one? 300. Second one 175, and third one 285, and fourth one 250. Last one 300. 300 plus 300, 600 plus 350, 950 or not? 950. 950 plus 175 plus 285, 460 or not? 460. Both are adding. We are getting how much? 1410 or not? 1410. Out of 1410, we required how much percent? 60%. Percentage 2 zeros are cancelled. Answer 141 will be 840. Option first one. Question number 36. First priority square root of 144. What is the square root of 144? 12. Square root of cube root of 729. 9. 9 plus 12. 21 plus 4. 25. Square root of 25. 5 or not? 37. 37.5% of which one? 800. 37.5% means the fraction. 3 by 800. 3 by 8. 8 how many times 800? 100 times or not? It is how much? 300 or 400? 300. 0.25% means the fraction. 1 by 16. How many times? 100 times or not? Then answer 300 minus 100. How much? 200 or not? 38. First priority 560 divided by 8 or not? How much? 70 into 600. 70 into 420 or not? Next 15 divided by 1.5. How many times? 10 times or not? 15 divided by 1.5 we are getting 10 times. 10 into 10 how much? 100. That's 100 or not? The total answer 520. Number 39. 6400 divided by 4% of which one? 800 or not? First of all, numerator 2 zeros, denominator 2 zeros cancel or not? 4 8s are how much? 32. 32 how many times? 4? 2 times or not? Actually it is 200 or 2? 200. Because the denominator already percentage or not? Will become into 100 in numerator or not? It is 200 or not? Minus how much? 90. 15 times how much? 90. What is the difference? 110. Again percentage 2 zeros are cancelled or not? 9 9s are how much? 81. How many times? 100 times or not? 9 9s are 81. 81 8100. How many times? 100 times. 17 5s are how much? 85. What is the difference between 100 and 85? 15 or not? 41. First priority 700 into 3% of 2 or not? First of all, percentage 2 zeros are cancelled or not? 7 3s are 21 into 2, 42. Then we return 157 minus 42 minus 13 5s are how much? 65. 42 and 65. 107 or not? What is the difference between 157 and 107? 50 or not? Number 42. What is the first one? 0.25 into how much? 5. 0.25 into 5 means we are getting 1.5 or not? 1.25. Next plus 6 point how much value? 50 or not? Minus 4 divided by 5 into how much? 125. 5 how many times? 125. 25 times or not? 4 into 25. 100 or not? Plus 102.25 or not? 102.25. Okay. 1.25 plus 102.25. Total how much? Wait. Already out of 102, already 100 or not? 100 get cancelled or not? What is the remaining value in 102.25? 2.25. 2.25 plus 1.25. 3.5 plus 6.5. How much? 10 or not? Question number 43. First priority bracket value or not? Plus 35 how much? Last 2 digits. 50 plus 35, 85. Plus 85 minus 85 cancel or not? The remaining minus 50 or plus 50? Minus 50. Verify the hundreds position or not? 7 minus 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 minus 4, 400. It is 400 minus 15 or plus 15? Minus 15, because it is 400. 100's position or not? 400 minus 50, we are getting 385. Divide by which one? 11. How many times? 35 times or not? 44. 240 into 12 divide by how much? 480. 40 directly 480 how many times? 2 times or not? 2 how many times? 10. 5 times or not? 12 into 5, 60 plus 4. Answer C4. 45. First priority 250 into 0.1 divide by how much? 5 or not? One we return 5 how many times? 250. 50 times or not? 50 into 0.1, 5 or not? Plus 100 divided by 25, 4. 4 plus 1 or not? Total it is 5 plus 5 or only 5? 5 plus 5. How much? 10 or not? 2 into 20 how much? 40. Minus 40 or plus 40? Minus 40. 5 2s are how much? 10 or not? Minus 40 plus 10? Minus 30. 150 minus 30? 120. 120 plus 205. 325. Number 47. First priority 5% of 400 or not? Percentage 2 zeros are cancelled or not? 5 4s are how much? 20. 100 plus 20? 120 plus 411. 5 30 1 or 3? 1. Divide by how much? 9. 9 how many times? 5 times or 4 times? 5 times. Remaining 81 or not? How many times? 9 times. Answer 59. But 48. First priority root value or not? 52 minus 12. 40 plus 9. 49. Square root of 49. 7. 7 plus 13. 7 plus 113. How much? 120 or not? Next. What is the difference between 325 and 295? 30 or not? 325 and 295 difference? 30. 30 plus 450? 480 plus 32. 5 1 2 or not? 5 and 2, it is cube of which one? 8. 8 cube or not? 8 cube written 2 power 3 whole power 3 or not? It is 2 power 9 or not? 2 power 9 or 2 power 6? 2 power 9, because it is a power m whole power n or not? A power m n. Answer 9. Right hand side value 2 power something means left hand side also converted to 2 power something or not? Number 50. 5 into 12 divided by 6 into 3. First 6 how many times? 12. 2 times. 5 2s are 10. Into 3, 30. 30 plus 22. 52. Right hand side negative, it will become positive or not? 52 plus 2. 54. 51. Number series. What is the first one difference? 5. Next one? 8 or 7? 8. Next one? 17 or 18? 17. 164. 5 means it is 2 square plus 1 or not? Or no? 2 square plus 1. 8 means 3 square minus 1 or not? 17 means it is 4 square plus 1 or not? Next, 5 square minus 1 or not? Alternatively, square minus 1 or not? 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the 5 square? 25. Minus 1 means 24. That is added to which one? 164. Answer should end with 8. 188 or not? That's where 5 square minus 1. Next one? Square plus 1 or not? What is the 6 square? 36 plus 1? 37. 188 plus 37. 225 or not? But 52. 100 something 28 6 10 7 or not? What is the 7 and 10 difference? 3. 10 and 6 difference? 6. 16 and 28 difference? 12 or not? 3 6 12 means obviously next one 24 or not? 28 plus 24 52. Option fourth one or not? Difference will be double or triple? Double. 3 double 6 6 double 12 12 double 24. Obviously next one 48 or not? 52 plus 48 100. But 53. 7 9 15 27. What is the 7 and 9 difference? 2. 9 and 15 6. 15 and 27 12 or not? Okay. 2 means it is 1 square plus 1 or not? Or no? The 6 means square plus 2 or not? 12 means return square plus 3 or not? 3 square 9 plus 3 means 12. Next 4 square plus 4 or not? 4 square means 16 plus 4 means 20 or not? What is the answer? 47. 5 square plus 5 or not? What is the 5 square? 25 plus 5 means 30. Answer 47 plus 30. 70. Question number 54. What is the half of the 128? 64. Half of the 64? 32. Half of the 32? 16. The answer? No, no. 55. 2, 5, 11, something 47, 95. 2 to 5. What is the difference? 3. 5 to 11? Or not? Okay. What is the 47 and 95 difference? 48 or not? 48 or not? ఆల్రెడీ ఈ లాజిక్ వాడుకున్నాం అనుకుంటా. వద్దులే ఇంకోటి మాట్లాడు. 2 plus 1 or not? 2 2s are how much? 4 plus 1 how much? 5. 5 2s are how much? 10 plus 1. 11 or not? 11 2s are how much? 22 plus 1. 23. 23 2 times 46 plus 1. 47 or not? Okay. Or previous one. What is the difference? 3, 6, next 12, next 24. 11 plus 12 how much? 23. 23 plus 24 47 or not? Answer 23. 2 2 plus 1 or not? 56. A man got profit of 25,000 in a business. He spent 10% on groceries, 15% on house rent, and 20% on education. Then find the remaining amount, the profit or not. Out of the 25,000, first time how much percent are spending? 10%. Second time 15%. Third time 20%. Total how much percent are completed? 45%. What is the remaining? 55%. Then we required 5% of which value? 25,000 or not? 5 means 11 multiple or not? Option 11 multiple. 1 plus 7, 8. 3 plus 5, 8. Alternate digits, some difference will be 0 or not? Next, second option is 11 multiple. No. Third option. No. Fourth one. No. Fifth one. No. Then answer D, first one. Or 55% means return 50% value plus 5% value or not? 50% means 12,500. 5% means 1250. Both are adding, it is 13,750 or not? Per 57. A is to B 13 is to 4 and B is to C are 2 is to 7. And the difference between the A and C is how much? 23. Then the value of D, which is 40 more than the which one? B or not? What is the B value in first one? How many parts? 4 parts. Second one? 2 parts or not? Then in place of 2 is 7, return 4 is to 14 or not? Because B value are equate or different? Equate. A value 13, B value 4 and C value 14 or not? Or no? A represent how many parts? 13 parts. Represents how many parts? 14 parts. How many parts are different? One part. That one part equal to how much? 23 or not? But here D value compared to B value, how much value or more? 40. First we need to identify B value or not. One part 23, then four parts are 92 or not. Compared to 92, how much value or more? 43 more. Then we are adding 43 or subtracting 43? Adding 43. An answer 135. 92 means it is B value, but we required which one? C value. Question number 58. The average height of Ram and Sham is how much? 160 centimeters. The average height of Sham and Sudha is 150.5 centimeters. What is the question here? Find the difference between the heights between Ram and the. Okay. First one, how many persons? 2 persons. Second one also 2 persons or not. Difference will be one difference we required. Ram and Sudha or not. What is the average difference? Average difference 9.5 or not? 9.5 is the average difference or some difference? Average difference. But here number of persons, 2 persons. Then some difference will be 9.5 into 2 or not? 9.5 into 2. That is some difference or average difference? Some difference. 9.5 average difference. But 9.5 into 2 means some difference or not? Okay. First case, how many persons? 2 persons. Second one also 2 persons. Which one are common? Sham will be common or not? Means subtracting these two, Sam value are cancelled or not? Then we are get the ratio difference between Ram and Sudha is how much value? 9.5 into 2. How much? 19 or not? Suppose if it is 3 persons into 3 or not? 2 persons means into 2. 3 persons means into 3. Question number 59. A can do a piece of work in how many days? 9 days. B can do the same work in 27 days. Then how many days both can complete 75% of the total work or not? We required together of 75% work or total work? 75% of total work or not? Suppose total work together means we return product by sum or product into product by sum. What is the first one? 9. Second one 27. 9 into 7 means it is product value or not? Sum means 9 plus 27. How much? 36. This one it is equal to total work is completed by A and B together or only A alone? A and B together. But we required out of the total work how much person we need? 75%. 75% means return 3 by 4 or not? Okay. Out of the total number of days we required how much? 3/4 or total? 3/4. 3 how many times? 12 times or not? Next 3 how many times? 3. 3 how many times here? 4 times. The numerator we are getting 81. Denominator 16 or not? 81 by 16 more than 5 times or not? But denominator must be 16. Option 5 1 by 16. Suppose if we required 50%, then we return 1 by 2 or not? Together means return product by sum or product into product by sum. 60. 2 years ago, the age of A and R was 2:3. After 6 years, their ratio will be how much? 3:4. Then find the sum of the ages of A and R after 7 years or not? After 7 years. First 2 years back, what was the ratio? 2:3. After 6 years ratio, 3:4. From the past to future, each one how many parts are increased? One part or not? One part are increased. But from the past to future, each one how many years are increased? 8 years or not? Then every one part we return 8 years or not? We required sum of the 2 persons after how many years? 7 years or not? First of all, we need to find the sum of the 2 persons 2 years back. 2 years back, sum of the two persons is how many parts? 5 parts. 2 plus 3, 5 parts. What is the one part value? 8 years. 5 parts is how much? 40 or not? 40 was how many years back sum? 2 years back. 2 years back sum 40, but we required after 7 years or not? Means from the past to present, present to future. Each one how many years are increased? 9 years or not? Past to present 2 years. Present to future 7 years. Each one how many years are increased? 9 years. But total how many persons? 2 persons. How many years are increased? 18 or not? Plus 18 or minus 18? Plus 18. 40 plus 18 how much? 58. 40 past sum or present sum? Past sum. Past sum converted to present, again present converted to future. Question number 61. Find the total interest earned after 2 years by Ganesh and Venki on a scheme for simple interest at the rate of 12% and 15%. They invested 7,000 and 4,600 respectively. What is the rate of percent of first one? 12%. Second one, 15%. But first one, 12% is calculated on which one? 7,000. What is the 12% of 7,000? 840 or not? 840. Yes. Second one, what is the rate of percent? 15%. Of which value? 4,600. What is the 10% of 4,600? 460. 5%? 230. 460 plus 230? 690 or not? Okay. These two are adding, we are get the 1 year interest or 2 years interest? 1 year interest. But we required after how many years? 2 years. Multiplied by 2 times or not? Okay. 40 plus 90 how much? 130. End with 30 into 2 times means end with 0 or not? Okay. 800 plus 600, 1400. 40 plus 90, 130. Total it is 1500. 30 or not? 1530 into 2 times. 30 or not? 30. 840 individually 1 year interest, 1 year interest or not? But we required how many years interest? 2 years. Question number 62. The lengths of two parallel sides of a trapezium are 12 centimeters and 8 centimeters. The height of the trapezium is 3 centimeters. Then find the area of the trapezium or not? Or the area of a trapezium formula? Half into h into a plus b. Now నువ్వు ఫార్ములా ఐడియా ఉందా? బ్యాక్ సైడ్ చెప్పు ఫార్ములా. హాఫ్ ఇంటూ a plus b. Half into h into, what is the h value? 3 into a value 12, b value 8 or not? Half into 3 into 12 plus 8 or not? 12 plus 8 means 20. 2 how many times? 10 times. 10 3s are 30 or not? Larger side are which one? A or not? Smaller side are B. Parallel sides. The distance between parallel sides are height of the trapezium or not? Height of the trapezium. Sides are given, height are given. We need to identify the area. Then area nothing but half into h into a plus b. Number 63. A and B are invested in a business in the ratio of which one? 5:7. The time period of A and B invested in the ratio of which one? 3:2. One is investment ratio, another one time ratio are given. Required which one? Profits ratio. What the profit mean? Investment multiplied by time or not? What the first one investment? 5 parts. What the first one time? 3 parts. 5 3s are 15. Second one investment 7 parts. Time period 2 parts. Then profit 14 parts or not? Then profits are distributed 15:14. 4. If your train crosses a pole in how many seconds? 20 seconds. a speed of 27 kilometer per hour. Then find the length of the train. Length nothing but it is the distance. Okay, when a train passes a pole means total distance are only train length. Then length of the train means distance value. Distance nothing but we written speed into time. What is the speed of the train? 27. It is converted to meter per second. Multiplied by 5 by 18. So how many seconds? 20 seconds. 9 3 times, 9 2 times. 2 again how many times? 10 times. The answer 150. 3 5s are 15 into 10 means 150. Number 65. A person bought a dress at a cost of 2750 and sold it for 4500. Then find the profit person or loss person. Profit person. Cost price 10, selling price 10, cancel or not? Cost price is how much? 275. Selling price 450. 275 and 450 both are multiples of 25 or not? 25 how many times? 275. 11 times. How many times? 450. 18 times or not? Okay. How many parts? 11 parts. Selling price is how many parts? 18 parts. Profit or loss? Profit. How many parts? 7 parts. 7 upon 11 or 18? 11. Either profit or loss is always calculated on cost price. 7 by 11 into 100 or not? Already we know the 1 by 11 value or not? What the 1 by 11 means? 9.09% or not? How many times we need? 7 times or not? 7 9s are 0.3% or not? Option or not? ఏది డిఫరెన్స్ తీసుకొని చేయొచ్చు. 2750 and 4500. What is the difference? 1750. That is calculated on which one? 750. That case